This is the Lockpicking Newbie, and today is package day, and it's also Stock Lock Sunday, so hopefully this goes well. Okay, this package is from quite some time ago. Don't really remember how long ago. And according to the little label, it's an old 5200. So let's find out. I started cutting and then it met some resistance there. I wonder why. Oh, it's just the envelope. Got this off of eBay, as you can see from the label. Oh, I wonder what that. Oh, that was the metal clasp. I just cut right through it. Huh. Why so brutal, newbie? Okay. Hope everybody is healthy. Oh, and old 50. Did I say that? Old 5200. Very important. Okay. Oh, this is cool. Oh, look, it really is old. It's a US. Appears to be key retaining. It does have a Phillips head in there. Let's see if I can zoom in on that and let you guys see it. If I had a... All right, well, anyway, we'll get to that soon, I hope. And yeah, what a cool old lock. I'll have to check the date code and see RFE. How old is that really? Oh, and the core isn't sprung either, so that's interesting. There's looks like a 5-pinner, really cruddy looking key. I mean, just full of dirt and stuff. I'll go ahead and keep that zoom in. So we've got, see if the key code's on it. It says 7925H Hotel. And the bidding is interesting. All right, well, we got it locked up. Let's see if we can pick it. It does, even though it's an old American, it does look like it's the same core that we all know and love. I've got a pry bar in 50 thousandths, and I've got a hook in 18. So I'm not even gonna rake it or anything. I'm just gonna go straight to picking. All right, here we go. So 1 is binding. Nice click out of 1. A little click out of 2. I ease tension a bunch, so I get a click out of 3. 4 is springy. And kind of a little mushiness back on 5. So let's go back to 1. I think I just overset 1, so let's just let it go. Ooh. No spring on the core, so. All right, I'll leave 1 alone. Little tiny click on 2. Let's see if I can get any more. Nope. Get back to where we were. Little tiny click on 2. I'm getting like serration clicks on 3. Tiny bit of core movement, so I'll leave it there. Okay, 4 is binding now. Whoa, bunch of serrations. I might have gone too far on 4. Let's just see what 5 feels like. A couple serrations on 5. 4 came back up a bit. A couple more little clicks out of 4. So 1 and 2. Boy, I think I'm going to leave those alone. 3 is down. 4 might have come too far. Okay, cool lock, dirty lock. But I guess that's fair. All right, so 5 feels like it's really hard in there. Got a nice little click out of 4. Okay, I just think I learned my lesson on 1 and 2, but 2 is up there. It's just saying, pick me, newbie. 3. Okay, got another little click out of 5. Another little click. Oh, now it's done. There we go. It does feel like I might be dropping some things, so I'm just going to ease the tension. Oh, that did not make one happy at all. Oh well. Let's kind of start over here. Okay, 1 is set. 2. All right, I'm going to try to take some more out of 2. I just can't stand it. Nope, I was wrong. All right, I think 1 and 2 are where they need to be. All right, so 3. Got a few little serration clicks out of 3. 4 is loose. Okay, 1 and 2 are where they want to be. 3 is gone. 4 is loose. You know, I'm not picking as much these last couple weeks. For whatever reason, I just haven't had a heck of a lot of time for picking locks. And it's actually been hard to kind of keep up. But I was really happy to send out a couple of packages. Cherokee got one, and she's just picking through all the locks in it, which is awesome. Jeff Moss got one. He put it up on his channel. So I really appreciate that. That was fun, you know. I mean, it's like, hey, here's some locks. Have some fun with them. So I like that. I don't know. People are seem to like the stickers that I have, so that's fun to send those out. And I'm actually also having kind of some trouble with the high security locks that I have. I've got an ASA 700. Oh, here we go. We're open. Click. There we go. And some other high security locks. Having trouble with those. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do a Lotto Lock Tuesday video because I've basically been through all my Lotto locks except for one. And I cannot get that last one. Oh, I'll talk about that on Tuesday. But my point being, I'm kind of running out of material. I got to focus here so I don't strip this screw. Ooh. Man. The screw is super draggy. I can't tell if it's because of Loctite, age, corrosion, of course, perhaps a combination of all those, but I got it now. I think I got it, yeah. Man, look at how corroded that thing is. That's the little security nut. Well, this is a good eBay find, and to tell you the truth, I'm glad. I can't remember how much I paid for it. Wow. All right, this is really corroded in here. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let me try to zoom in a bit. It's really, really cruddy. It's like salty, corroded, like it's been in a maritime environment. Let's see if I can find something to open the, oh, and the key, or the screw is kind of rusted out. And I'm gonna see if I can, I forgot to bring out a C-clip remover. All right, I have the key, so I'm gonna lock it. This is the gut wrench, designed by LockNoob, sold by Sparrows. I do like this thing, don't get me wrong. I always say my favorite is that silly little quick set thing. But I do like the gut wrench. It's just sometimes I find the quick set easier to manage. Okay. Got a key. I'm going to live life on the edge and not shim it. I might be sorry if I do when I do this. Whew. Okay. This thing was definitely crudded up. So there is like grease or something on here. And I'm gonna just zoom in a little bit and try to dump the pins in such a way that you can see what they are. Oh man, it's so cruddy. Okay. Okay, so key pins. And you know, like I said, I don't know how old this thing is, but it's following true to the American pin designs. So the key pins have little serrations on top, which is super cool. So here's pin 3, pin 4, pin 5 coming up here. Well, I don't know, guys. What do you think? Is it a stock lock? It's stock. I mean, let's face it. Nobody changed anything in this lock, and they left it outside, and it feels kind of sticky, like it's been in a salt environment. There's the core. Let's see. This is the front. So this is going to be 1. That's a serrated spool. Oh, the springs are really kind of dead. That's another serrated spool. In 2, the springs are shiny, but the spring in 2 was pretty dead. 3 is a serrated pin. 4 is serrated. And so is 5. One thing a little interesting is the pins are shinier where they face the springs. And that's not a surprise because that was further away from the atmosphere. All right, well, hey, what a cool lock. For whatever reason, I really dig the old locks that have some, you know, looks like they've gotten some use. I mean, I bought so many brand new locks, but this is just cool that it was so obviously used. So there's again what it looks like, and oh, I guess I should show this guy. It's, I mean, dirty and grimy, but stock. And I'll show the pins. I'll try to show them in such a way that I can also show the core loaded up. And there you have it. Well, thank you, my friends, for watching and participating in the channel. This is an old American 5200. Fun pick. Cool lock. This is the Lockpicking Newbie. Have a good day.